Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we have the space gray here, or the black one, right there, so we can compare it in a second. Let's go ahead and get right into this. And of course, this is the larger model in the gold color. And there we go. As far as first impressions go, I think I like it more than the gold in previous years. Honestly, I think it does look better. Let's see, 1 second. Let's see what's in the box first and we'll talk about that. Then we'll talk about the colors. So we have normal pamphlets and everything. Hello, blah, 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 Apple stickers, SIM eject tool. That's cool. We have the fast charger right here, as well as a USB Type-C to Lightning. So now if you have a MacBook or anything, you can use that cable without having to get an adapter or a different cable or anything, which is a nice step forward. Would have been nice to see USB Type-C on the actual phone. And I might have some pauses or something because I'm beginning to lose my voice. But that's that in the box. Definitely a nice box. The black on gold looks really nice. And here is that gold color, which I mean, honestly, these colors just look amazing because this matte finish that Apple has made on here. I kind of wish every phone would have been like this. It would have looked amazing on every phone. You just don't want to even cover it up, but I'll go ahead and cover up for a second with some cases we have here for the Max. Let's find something here. We have a clear case here from the folks over at Totally. And you can see that there. That's how it looks with a clear case. The cases on these are unfortunate because I do love the feel of the back of the actual phone because it's finally gotten rid of the kind of sliminess that I felt with the glossiness of the XS and all the other phones, which I'm just not a huge fan of. I've always been a fan of that aluminum feel to a phone, and this kind of brings that back in a different, unique way that looks really good while still allowing wireless charging and all of that. Now let's go ahead and put another case that I have here, which is one that I didn't have for the other ones, but they sent this over, so I might as well just try it out here. And this is from Shieldon, and it's a leather wallet case, which I don't know. It kind of matches the whole gold thing, and like, I don't know. Might as well just try it since they sent it over. So let's go ahead and put this guy in, and there we go. There you can see the gold Max in a wallet case, which are definitely cool. If you like wallet cases, it's nice to be able to like prop it up. You can like set it up and stuff like that. And if you lose one thing, you can lose everything at once. Of course, I'm just kidding, but yeah, this wallet case is really nice. And I thought it was nice that they reached out to me and they sent it. And it's kind of just cool to see different things on the phones and everything to test out because I didn't have many Max cases. But you can see the gold there. And overall, I think if you've liked previous year's golds, this is just nicer than that. So then you'll definitely love this without even having to look at what it looks like in real life. The gold on this side looks perfectly gold. Like it looks like super, super, really nice gold. And then the back, it does have what I would say maybe a slight rosiness to it. However, it's not super apparent. There's just the slightest tint to it, but it looks really, really nice. And it kind of just subdues the goldness a little bit and flattens it out. And it looks good. Looks really good. You know, I've always hit it on the gold phones and every year, and people are always like, why do you get the gold one if you don't like it? I'm just making videos, seeing what the colors are like. So, you know, it's just my opinion on it. But this year, gold looks really nice. There you have it next to the black here, or space gray, whatever you want to call it. Looks really good. They both look really good. I kind of wish I would have gotten the white and the green today, but I did not. Unfortunately, they won't be coming in anytime soon. You can see them there in direct light, washing out the color completely. But they overall, even like in person right now, there is no reflection from that light onto me, and it makes the phone look like 1,000,000 times better than any of the glossy ones. And also, I just feel like I want to take a picture of the phone because it's not reflecting anything. Definitely looks really good. Now, it still doesn't make it a pro model. There's nothing professional about it, but I do wish that moving forward, maybe next year or something, all the phones get this matte finish on it because it's just incredible. It's really nice. If you've been on the fence on what to get, and the iPhone 11 Pro, I would just go for the Pro if you like OLED displays. And yeah, I think for me, the display is enough to go for the Pro over the 11. However, if you're fine with the display, there is no point in spending $300 more for a Pro like this, or like $400 more for a Pro Max, even though there is like battery improvements and everything. But of course, the 11 also has a lot of battery improvement. Like it's better than the 10R, and the 10R was already like 3 or 4 hours better than the 10S, which that's what this is. So now they're kind of like on even playing fields. I think that's what it is. The 11 might be a little bit better, but I'm kind of getting off topic. Hopefully you guys saw the color here, and it maybe helps you to some degree. And I'll probably add some B-roll and you can see the phone a little bit better then. But that's pretty much it. I don't think I have any more cases for the Max yet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to stay tuned for future color comparisons and other unboxings. I might do the unboxing of the green one just a week late when I get it from me. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to leave a like. It always does help. You can comment down below. Let me know what your favorite color is. If between at least these two, what you choose. I know I'd go for this space gray black. It's just magnificent. It is amazing color. It's really something that I've been wanting for a long time. It just looks really, really good. Even though the gold one, I looked at it and I was like, that looks pretty dang good. I could definitely see myself using a gold phone this year because of how good this looks. And all of this really comes down to the fact that they have these kind of matted out black or back finishes that feel really great. But aside from that, make sure to stay tuned for future videos and upcoming color comparisons and all that in different lighting conditions, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.